Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Tutorials. In this video we are going to see how you can install Java JDK 20 in Windows 11 machine. So first of all, open your browser, then type download JDK, then click enter. Open the first link Java JDK downloads, then scroll down. We have to install Java JDK 20.0.1 version. Our operating system is Windows, so click on Windows. Then we have to download for 64-bit. So click on the link for download 64-bit. You can see download is started. It will take small amount of time to download. So our downloading is completed. Let's open it into folder. Double click to install. Click on yes. So it is started preparing for installation. After coming this window, click on next. You can select your Java JDK path where you have to store your file. So I'm selecting the by default path, then click on next. So you can see installation is started. It will take small amount of time to install the software. After installation complete, just click on close. Now let's check download is completed or not. So you have to go in Windows, then C, then program files, then you can see the Java folder, then you can see Java JDK 20. So now you have to set environment variable path. So open the Java JDK folder, then go to bin, then just copy the path. Now go to start and search environment variable. Just open it. Then click on environment variable. Now here you have to set your path. So first we are going to set path in user variable. So click on path on user variables. Then click on edit. Click on new path and just paste your path here. And then you can just click on OK. Then second we have to set our path in system variable. For that click on path. Then again click on edit. Then click on new. Just paste your path and click on OK. Now again click on OK. So our path is set for the Java JDK. To check your Java is installed or not, or your path is set correctly or not, go to start and search cmd and open your command prompt. Then just type Java hyphen version and click enter. So you can see our Java JDK is installed in our operating system.